Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's our day 4 here in Tokyo, Japan. Today's gonna be super exciting because we're checking out two of the most iconic spots here in Tokyo. First up, we're now here at Meiji Jingu Outer Garden where you'll find the stunning Gingko Avenue. So guys, it's really easy to get to Gingko Avenue by train. So just go to Aoyama-Itchome Station and then take exit 1. It's just a 5-minute walk to the avenue. Finally, we're now here at Gingko Avenue. It's one of the most beautiful spots in Tokyo during autumn. Meron ditong 146 Ginkgo trees and they are lined up perfectly along this 300-meter avenue. By the way guys, the Ginkgo trees were actually planted in the 1920s as part of the urban planning around this area. So yep, these trees are almost a century old. The golden leaves usually reach their peak mga around late November to early December. So if you are in Japan during autumn season, make sure to visit Gingko Avenue. Another fun fact, the Ginkgo leaf is actually the official symbol of Tokyo. You'll spot it on street signs, manhole covers, and even Tokyo Metro logos. If you're planning to visit Gingko Avenue, we recommend that you come here early morning if you want to avoid the crowd. Best part about Gingko Avenue is there is no entrance fee. So if you're planning to visit, you can visit early morning if you want to avoid the crowd. Also guys, this place is well maintained and parang gusto namin mag-apply dito, taga-Walis. So this is what it looks like if you will be visiting in the late afternoon. Medyo crowded na din yung place and kanya-kanya na lang pwesto ng mga tripods. We're done with our tour of the Ginkgo Avenue, and for our next stop, let's head to Uniqlo in Ginza. Of course, gamit na gamit namin dito sa Japan si Google Maps. It's very easy to navigate. So if you'll be taking the metro or any train line, just search for your destination and it will tell you which platform you need to go. So sobrang dali lang talaga siya. And here we are in Akihabara, aka the Electric Town. This place is a paradise for anime fans, gamers, collectors, and of course to all our otaku friends. By the way guys, hindi na namin na-vlog yung Uniqlo Ginza kasi naubusan na ng battery yung camera namin. Anyway, halos pareho lang naman yung prices ng Uniqlo sa Philippines and then yung Uniqlo dito sa Japan. Dahil nagutom na kami sa kalalakad, so kain muna tayo dito sa Yoshinoya. And masarap dito guys, and also mura lang din yung food nila.
Okay, ito na pala.
Also guys, dito sa Akihabara, ang dami rin dito mga maid cafes. We also check big camera in Akihabara. Kaso guys, pagpasok namin sa loob, bawal kumuha ng video. And that's okay, kasi nag-check lang naman kami dito ng hard drive. So, more lakad tayo today guys. Dahil dyan, nagutom kami ulit. So, we tried the Coco Ichibanya here in Akihabara. At first, medyo akala namin pricey siya. Pero nung chinek na namin yung menu, very affordable siya guys. And ang laki din pala ng serving nila. Thank you so much guys for spending part of your day with us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So tomorrow, it's the highlight of our trip. We will be leaving Tokyo and we're headed to Mount Fuji. So we're going to stay there for 3 days and 2 nights. Stay tuned and see you in our next vlog.